For the nails that I'm going to be using today, I am going to be leaving a link down the information box below. If you guys are interested in purchasing, you can also find these in Walgreens as well. So I am kind of mix matching these today. So some items that you're going to need today are going to be a nail filer, you're going to need a nail clipper, and then we're going to use our cotton balls to make sure that we get all of the excess oils and stuff off of our nails. Now I personally like to use the Gorilla Super Glue along with a nail glue, guys. This actually works really well for me. Here we're just removing all of the excess polish or glue that I had on there before from the other set of false nails that I did, press-on nails that I did. This part is going to be optional as far as using the drill if you have a drill. If you don't have a drill, it's okay. Just try to file your nails down as best as you could. We've made sure that our nails are super clean. I'm going to go ahead and start opening up the false press-on nails, and then we're just going to basically start sizing them up. Now these are the things that actually come in the box. So you have a little tiny little filer and stuff like that. So these are the nails. I think they're really pretty and cute. I actually think I'm going to buy these again, to be honest. But basically here I'm just sizing them out first. You want to make sure that you size them out first. That way once you're ready to go ahead and glue the false nails on, you're all ready. Like you don't have to search around for the perfect size. I do apologize in advance. I actually glued this first nail on and realized that the camera wasn't recording. So I'm going to show you how I glue on the rest of the nails in the process. So we put our Gorilla Glue first, and then I go ahead and use the nail glue and brush it on. Now after you've done that, you want to place the nail on and just squeeze it really tight and hold onto it to just make sure that it's fully pressed on there. And that's what I'm just going to go ahead and do, this whole process. So I'm just going to basically do the same thing to all of the nails, and yeah, that's basically it. Particular nail, I did forget to go ahead and clip my actual nails, so it does kind of look a little bit weird with the clear nail. So be sure you don't make the mistake that I did. Make sure you clip all of your nails before applying the false ones if you have clear nails like myself. So this is the final look for the nails. I'm absolutely in love with them. These did last me a little over a week. If you are not someone who washes dishes a lot and use your hand for a lot of different things, they'll probably last a little bit longer for you. But yeah, I absolutely love them. So that is it, you guys. If you guys want to see more videos like these where I show you how to do more DIY nails at home, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.